Simon, and I am a great toilet cleaner for my own toilet. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your own toilet, kids, or parents, or teenagers, or grandparents, or your friends, or old friends, and police officers as well. First you're going to need to do is just have this. You can have these. You can get this at a great value. You can get this at Walmart. Then next you're gonna need to have some paper towels. Then what do we do next?
Then show what you've already cleaned.
So I've already cleaned the toilet. So
you can do the last bit. So lift up the lid.
Come on.
Okay.
Closer. So I might clean the toilet. And you're gonna need to use the paper towels, and you're gonna need use some waterproof gloves.
Perfect.
So then spray it. Spray your toilet, then wipe it with the paper towel. So next you're going to need to then wipe the bottom of the toilet seat. Then flip this one and wipe it. Then the bottom top. Then wipe the top of the toilet seat. And this is a great time for you to get the waterproof gloves on. Alright, so after you use the first paper towel, then get another paper towel.
These ones are all clean.
Then all we need to do is wipe the top of the toilet, flusher, and the bottom. Because mine always accidentally get pee under here. Well, I do. Well, I usually do this in the summertime.
Every day in the summer, huh?
Yep, every day in the summer, and that's how you clean your.
Do you want to show the swisher, the white thing, the toilet brush?
Yeah.
You want to show that again?
Yeah.
Okay.
The swisher is a great thing that you might need to use, and we don't, and the plunger, which I'm not going to show you.
Okay. And then we flush. Don't forget to flush the blue.
Then all we need to do is flush the blue.
It's sparkling.
And that's how you clean your toilet. Oh, with the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. Smash it. Do it 1,000 times. Don't hit the thumbs down, man. My dad's a psych nurse. Actually a nurse practitioner.